Today I will teach you how to compose a picture using different mediums. So today we will make Adi Jogi sculpture in painting. So let's watch it. We have a canvas and extra we have taken a paper. It's a handmade paper. You can take cardboard or you can take any waste paper. So this is my waste paper. You can see I have made a paintings and that's why it's a waste paper. So I just use this waste paper as to make it a stencil. So I will make this painting of the first I will make the stencils of Adi Yogi sculpture. So just you have to draw it. You don't have to do the internal part or something like that. You don't have to do all this thing. You just need to make the stencils. So just you need the outline, nothing else. So, and that's because I'm doing it in the standing way in the canvas on this easel. So I have to hold this pencil like this, that you can stick the pencil on the board and just hold it in this manner. So after that, once your sketch has been done, just we need the outline. So I'm not doing the detail of eyes and nose and all, so that we will do later. So just I need it to draw, and my drawing is almost complete. We just need a moon. That's it. So once you've done it, once you're done with it, then just take the paper and just cut it out. So now you can see that I have made the cutouts of the Shiva sculpture. So now I have to stick it to the frame. So for that I need the sellotape, so I cut it out, and now I have to roll the sellotape and just stick to the cutouts. As you can see, যখন দেখছি ওটা করতে আমার, so now you can see that I stick the sellotapes on the cutouts. Remember one thing, that your cutout should be stick to the frame, or otherwise it won't look good. Now I am adding the sellotape to give the ray effect to the painting, just like the sun rays or divine rays, you can say. So just if you are making in the small frame, you try to use the normal sellotape which you have, not the big one, the small one. Done with this, then from this corner and another one, then you have to cut it out. Now you can see that my sellotape work has done. So now I added the clips. You can use this type of clip you have, or you can take the normal clips which you have using for the cloth tying. So this is done. Now we have to paint on it. So I will show you the two steps of paintings, that how to do the sprays. So I have acrylic colors. You can take the poster colors or watercolor, whatever you have. So let's see how to color it, or how to spray the color on the top. Thank you. Go. Now I have taken cadmium yellow medium So this is an artist acrylic tube. If you have acrylic color, Fabrica color, or any kinds of paint, you can use it. Okay. So I'm using that, applying with a brush. So just you have to add the shades on it. So I'm taking the flat 12 number brush. So this way you can do, or if you have not the flat brush this much, so what you can do, you can take have this 12 number flat brush, you can take that toothbrush too, the old one which you are using, and just you have to add the strokes. Now you can see that I am using the yellow color. Most of the spaces, but you have to use the color very dry way. Your brush should be dry. So you have to take less water and more color. So once you're done with a permanent orange series 2, so I am using it on the yellow. So you just mix it, and if your color is wet, then you don't have to mix, and if your color is not wet, then you have to mix with yellow, and then you have to apply. So I will show you how to apply it and where to apply. So just wait for some time. So again, that you don't have to take color, water. You just have to take more color, less water, so it will give the dry finish. And use your brush in a single direction, from down to up strokes. Just like the shading in pencil shading, I have shown you how to give the hatching shade. From down to top up. So it just gives the rays of divinity, or you can say it's the rays of sunlight. Actually, Adi Yogi is the first yogi. Is called Adi Yogi, the ancient yogi. So this sculpture, the Adi Yogi sculpture in Coimbatore, is the world's largest bust sculpture. So that's why I took this. This is also a product of art. So there is no any other purposes in the religious or something. So it is just for the sake of art. Now I have to wait for some time to just let the color dry. So we have to wait for at least, now you can see that there is a color is just getting out. So just we have to wait for some time, at least 3 to 5 minutes. It's acrylic, so it will take not much time, but 3 to 5. For your poster color or something, you have to wait for 15 minutes at least to let the color dry. Then you can remove the sellotape. So we will wait and we will remove. I will show you how to remove the sellotapes and the stencils. Now we have to remove the sellotape and the stencils too. So slowly you have to do it. So now you can see that I removed the sellotape and the stencils. Now we have to paint the Adiyogi sculpture over here, so it will give you the actual finish, okay, how it looks. So we will do that. So first we will draw the facial part and the sculpture part too. So just see how to do it. So now you have see that I have started it. I have started the painting just like that. I have done on the stencils too. So just this is the measurement. So almost our shading part is done, the drawing is done. So for the light shade you have to just erase the outline of your drawing. That's, you can see my drawing has been done. So only just you have to erase, and because you have to do it with the color. So almost done, and I think it looks good. So now it's about to finish with the paints. So I will do with the paints. Just wait and watch. Here you can see that I have taken black and white and I am making grey color to just give the shades. So just wait and watch how to do it. So first you have to, in the dark color, you have to make the outlines. You have to just get the picture from Google, so it will help you to understand the shades. Blend it with the finger. So now you can see that almost our painting is ready with the shading and filling the color. So almost you have to just shade it. If you can't shade it, you can do it in a uh, manner of silhouette. So you can do that. I know how to shape, that's why I did it. If you can't do that, you can also do silhouette. Once your silhouette is done, then it depends on how perfect you want to make your Shiva. So that's it. Once you how to shade with the black and white color. So gray finish. Exactly. So it's very fast. It just get dry. Few places the color has been sprayed, so there we have to cover with pure white color. It's called titanium white color name. So that you have to fill with. Here also you can see. Just you have to give the touch up. Even here is one. Give the shades of the hairs. So now just make the outline. Just draw the outline. Make the jawline perfect with the shadow and all. And here you can add a little bit of using the white color too, just to give a shade and just blend with your finger. Wherever you have to do the black color, just use the black color over there wherever you need. And give here also a border. So it's almost done. The moon is also completed. So now you can see the painting has been done. You learned the trick to how to use the cellotape and stencils. You can take any kind of stencils. If you are feeling hard to make this Shiva, you can take a Buddha cutout. So just take any Shilauti pictures and just keep it in the center and just make the background with the cellotape. So you will be, I think, done. So hope you like this video. If you like, then so try this at home. Hope you can do it. If you feel any problem, you can write it in the video and have a nice day. Thank you so much for watching. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.